Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a few budget-friendly DIY home upgrades that have a huge impact without emptying your wallet. Whether you're renting, renovating, or just sprucing up your space, these ideas will elevate your home's look instantly. So, grab a cuppa and let's get started. 1. Add in new lighting fixtures. First up, it's time to talk lighting. Upgrading your light fixtures is one of the easiest ways to transform any room. Swap out those dated ceiling lights for a sleek, modern pendant or chandelier, or add some statement wall sconces for a more refined look. Don't want to mess around with wiring? No problem. Opt for plug-in wall lights or rechargeable battery-powered options. It's a quick and cost-effective way to elevate your space, especially for renters who can't do permanent installs. 2. Installing a new backsplash. Next, let's move to the kitchen, a focal point of any home. If your kitchen's looking a bit plain, consider installing a new backsplash. You can use peel and stick tiles for a temporary solution, or even try your hand at traditional tiling if you're feeling confident. Peel and stick tiles are perfect for renters and easy to remove when you need to. They add depth and texture, instantly giving your kitchen a more premium feel. 3. Refreshing your door hardware. One often overlooked upgrade is switching out your door handles and cabinet hardware. This small change can make a massive difference to the overall look of your home. Whether you prefer sleek matte black handles, brushed brass knobs, or even vintage-inspired hardware, this update adds personality and style to your doors and cupboards. 4. Revamping your skirting boards and architraves. Want to give your rooms a more polished look? Try revamping your skirting boards and architraves. Simply adding a coat of fresh white paint or going for a bold contrast color can redefine your space. It's a simple DIY that makes your space look more cohesive and finished without spending loads of money. 5. Adding floating shelves and wall storage. Running low on storage or want to display some of your favorite items? Floating shelves are an affordable and stylish way to do just that. They create more storage space, look great, and are relatively easy to install. You can place them in your living room, kitchen, or even your bathroom for a chic look. For a high-end feel, choose shelves with hidden brackets. 6. Fresh paint and accent walls. And of course, nothing beats a fresh coat of paint. It's amazing what a new color can do for your space. Try creating an accent wall using rich, deep colors like navy, emerald green, or charcoal gray. This is perfect for making a room feel cozy and inviting, while also giving it a modern, sophisticated look. From lighting to paint, these simple DIY home upgrades will truly elevate your space no matter your budget. Plus, they're all easy to reverse, so you won't have to worry if you're renting. Let me know which of these upgrades is your favorite, and if you've tried any yourself, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home improvement tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.